The Likert scale item type is designed to assess where feedback falls within a standard range of responses. It is a unique question type that lends itself more to survey questions than assessment of proficiency. The fields for item code and item label are required across all item types, and the item code must be unique. Ensure that these fields are completed. Then provide instructions for the students in the text editor labeled Item Stem. The Likert scale item type is very similar to the multiple choice static item type in that you ask a question, provide possible responses, and then reward a single correct answer. However, the Likert scale item type allows you to select whether you want 3, 4, or 5 choices, and it will automatically populate those fields with standard agree, neither agree nor disagree, or disagree options. You do not have to use the options provided. You are free to create your own scale of options. Also, you may add or delete rows of fields to adjust the number of options available by using the Add and Delete buttons. As mentioned before, this question type is very useful for surveys. As an example, we are going to do a teacher evaluation. In the item STEM text editor, ask, how would you rate your professor on his or her overall performance in this class? For this example, let's set the scale to provide a range of 5 choices. This question should be applicable to all students, so we're going to leave the Include Not Applicable box unchecked. The options may be arranged horizontally or vertically. The automatically generated responses don't appropriately respond to the question that we've asked, so let's change them. In the first box, let's change Strongly Agree to Excellent, and then change the second box containing Agree to Above Average. In the middle box, let's put Average. Finally, the last 2 boxes will be changed to Less Than Average and Poor. Now we just need to assign a score to the correct answer. Since our example is asking for an opinion, we should give the same score no matter what choice is selected. So let's place a 1 in every score box. If we wanted to, we could provide feedback. For this question, a simple "thank you for your input" might be appropriate. We can just copy and paste this quickly with keyboard shortcuts to save some time. To finish the question, make sure that you select a level of complexity and classification according to Bloom's taxonomy levels in the item preferences before clicking Save. After you click Save, you should return to the Manage Items screen. If you remain on the item creation screen, be sure to check all required fields and look for red error messages that will help you know what needs to be done before proceeding. When your item is successfully saved, it is wise to preview it to ensure that it's operating as intended. Find your item and click the Options icon, then select Preview. This will open a new window which will display your item as it will appear to the student. In preview mode, certain item types will have correct answers identified. This will never be the case when the item is attempted outside of preview mode. And that is how to create questions using the Likert scale item type.